This is a pair of shelf standards that have a problem. They're fairly well broken, as you can see here, and we'll get back to that. But right now, we'll focus on this. They're not bad looking, but as you can see, they have a particle board interior and some delamination. The problem is, if I glue this down, it's going to leave this open, showing. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove some material in here, and then we're going to clamp it closed so that this corner will meet that corner. So let's get started. We'll see what we can do. Okay, I looked at the damage and it's about 8 inches all the way down there. This is sticking out 10 inches. So we'll just drill to about, leave a couple inches here. So this is a brad point 10-inch, 12-inch bit. We'll see if we can relieve some of this pressure here. Okay, you get the idea. We'll get back here when we get a little bit more of this out of here. In the meantime, a little more work done on that. Got that clamped in, so there's just a couple of areas there that are going to need some putty or some wax filler or whatnot, and this will look pretty good. All right, I've drilled a few holes all the way down 8 inches, and I began to wonder what's going to happen when I get out here near this split veneer. So I got the idea that maybe we should try to remove the veneer and then just run a saw curve right through there. Okay, back to where we started. We put that piece of veneer back on this morning. There's the cut that we made in order to close this up. And I can see we just got a little bit of squeeze out here on the sides. So we'll get our scraper. Now, which one did we sharpen? Oh yeah. You definitely can feel it. Well, that's not going to work out the way I like. Let's try. And we've got this thing here. And we'll work our way down with the sandpaper again. Well, a little bit more right there. There. Took care of that. Well, we'll do this side, which is actually better than the other side. And assemble it. And it's a done deal.